In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and copy your LinkedIn profile link. This is super handy for adding to your resume, email signature, or anywhere you need a quick way for people to view your professional profile. Start by opening LinkedIn and signing in so you land on your main feed. This is the homepage with your newsfeed and updates. Make sure you're logged into the correct account you want to share. Once you're on the feed, look toward the top of the page for the Me menu. It's the option with your profile photo and a small drop-down arrow. Click that to open your personal menu. From this menu, choose View Profile. That takes you straight to your profile page where you can see your headline, experience, and all the sections you've built out. On this page, look to the right-hand side for a section labeled Public Profile and URL. It's usually in a small panel or link on the right sidebar. Click that option to open your public profile settings. On the public profile page, you'll see a section that displays your current LinkedIn profile URL. It typically looks like linkedin.com/in/your identifier. Focus on that link, highlight it so the entire address is selected, double click if it selects cleanly, or click and drag across the full URL to make sure you capture every character, then right click and choose copy. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, you can use Control+C on Windows or Command+C on Mac once the URL is highlighted. Either way works. The key is to copy the full link exactly as shown. With the link copied, it's a good idea to test it. Open a new browser tab, click into the address bar, and paste your link using Control+V on Windows or Command+V on Mac. Press enter to load the page. You should see your LinkedIn profile appear. If the page doesn't load correctly, go back and copy the URL again to make sure you didn't miss any characters. That quick test helps confirm you have a clean, shareable link. That's all there is to it. Open your LinkedIn feed, go to Me, view your profile, open the public profile and URL section, copy your URL, and paste it into a new tab to verify it works. Now you can confidently add your LinkedIn profile link wherever you need it, knowing it points people straight to your professional presence online.